Hi there, Christina Sieberts, truthandit.com. We are here once again, VMware Explore 2022, and I am with
Steve Grabow.
And we are at the Lumen booth. How are you feeling today?
You know what? It's a great day. It's an amazing event.
Are you finally happy to be back in person after 2 years of being fully remote?
Oh, it's been way too long. It's good seeing everybody's faces, but the interaction, long overdue, and there's nothing like making new relationships face to face.
Absolutely, and I think a lot of people feel like that. They're here this year. It's a lot of great energy on the showroom floor. So, Steve, can you just tell us a little bit more about what your role is at the company? What do you manage and oversee? And what are you guys showcasing today? What does Lumen actually do?
Sure. So I am a Senior Vice President of Edge Technologies for Lumen. So really, Lumen's all about furthering human progress through technology, okay? We're very lucky to have an amazing global network. Our technologies, our edge platforms, our private cloud compute that hang off of those networks are really where people put workloads, different enterprises and companies, and those workloads are really what are impacting our lives day in and day out. So where we can put those and service them and help people evolve, that's really what separates us from our competition. The asset base, the technology, and how we put it to play for those amazing outcomes. The platform for amazing things.
That's great. So if you had to kind of give a few, concrete examples of problems or pain points in the organization or the IT environment that your platform would help solve or address, can you just speak to that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. If you think about all the emerging technologies and things like AI and virtual reality, low latency needs, our platform is less than 5 milliseconds from the entire enterprise in North America. It's pretty spectacular. So that latency becomes mission critical, whether it's robotic operations, machine learning, things of that nature. You need that response. Our platform is positioned in areas that provide that, so those applications can get the response they need in order to make those outcomes a reality.
That's great. And so do you guys have an ideal customer profile? Are there specific industries or company sizes that would particularly benefit from this platform?
So we have very specific use cases for manufacturing, retail. We're working on healthcare, a lot of smart venues as well. We are more prescriptive. Financial vertical is significant as well. But the great thing about our platform and our network is the building blocks are very common. So the same building blocks can go for and solve problems for any specific industry, right? So those reference architectures are not too different. It's how you put them together to really solve that common core in a specific vertical.
Where are you guys based out of?
So actually, headquarters are in Monroe, Louisiana, heavily located in Broomfield, Colorado as well, and then global presence.
Wow, that's great. So is there anything additional or final that you want to tell our audience about where they can go to learn more about your solutions and any upcoming events or anything you want to call out so that everybody can kind of learn more?
Always Lumen.com is spectacular for outlets of what we have going on, the capabilities and the services, and really the emerging platform, right? That furthering human progress through technology, the platform for amazing things. We are going to continually to evolve that. More outcomes, impacting people in a positive fashion is what we go to work for every day.
That sounds really exciting. Thanks, Steve.
All right, thank you. Appreciate the time.
Hope you have a great rest of the show, and we'll be back with more coverage.